Then we have the fly to. Click on the flights button. Do you see? The list of flights are appearing here. I got to select only the default flight. I will not be clicking over here. I just have to click on the OK button. Then enter the name here, name of the person who want to travel. Let's say I want to travel. I enter Priya. Then I got to select the class for me. I need to enter the number of tickets. Let's say I enter 3. Then do you see here the price and then the total is appearing? Click on the insert order button. Wait till the order number is generated and then I finally close the application. So the order number is generated. Then we got to click on close. Okay. You cannot select on the remaining ones because every time, if you change this fly from and fly to, it may get confused, which flight to select. And if you change the date, then also, the different flights that are appearing, it may change and it will end into the failure. So now this is done. Click on the stop. Once the recording is over, we got to click on the stop. And then I write some comments over here. The first step is basically open the application, right? Open the application. Then the next step is login. So we are going to enter the agent name, enter the password and then click on OK button to log in. And then we are going to do the flight reservation. These are the steps. Enter the date of flight, fly from and then click on the flight. We select the flight basically, the flight reservation. Okay. And then you are going to enter the different values to book the flight. And then lastly, you got to close the application. So these are the steps that you got to follow. Okay. These are nothing but these are called as comments. These comments will not get executed by the QTP. You write the comments so that you can understand what is happening in your program. Alright. Or let's say anybody else in your team tries to open this script and they try to do the modification. Then they should be able to understand why you have recorded these steps. What is the purpose of this? That is the reason we write the comments. Okay. Comments are written for the users or let's say for the testers to understand the program, and this is nothing to do with your QTP. Your QTP is not going to execute these steps. Clear everybody? Okay, why do we write the comments? It is just for your understanding so that you understand the program later if you open it or if anybody from your team tries to open it. Okay. Yes, of course, you have to write the comments in the real time. See, whatever we are doing here, everything is real time. Okay. So writing the comments is a very good practice even in the real time projects. Okay. So don't assume, okay, whatever we are doing here, it is just for the assumption and practice. No. Whatever we are doing here, whatever I'm teaching you in this class, everything is practical. Everything is, implementable when you go to your project. In fact, if it is not applicable, then there is no purpose of, discussing all these things over here, right? So whatever we are discussing here, everything is going to be used in the real time. So that is the reason, please pay attention. Okay, fine. So now the recording is over. We have entered the script. Next thing is we got to save it. Saving is simple. As usual, go to the file, then click on the save as. You got to give the name to this and then save it. Okay, let's save it as Neha and then click on the save button. it gets saved. Okay. Do you see? This is saved. Alright everybody, how to save it? You just got to go to the file, click on the save as, it will be saved. So by default it will be saved in your C drive, program files, Mercury Interactive, QTP test, and then you have the new over here. Sorry, Neha over here. So it is saved with the name as Neha. Okay. Is it clear everybody? How to do the recording and then how to save it? Okay. So let's check out our steps. We did the preparation. We did the recording. Enhancing is nothing but you can add more features over here which I'll be showing you later. For now I just added some comments. If there are any errors you got to debug, but currently I see no errors because I have directly recorded and added some comments. No enhancement, I mean no major enhancement is done over here. So I cannot expect any error over here. Then I got to run the test. What is the next step? Run the test. To run the test, we have the run button over here. So I got to click on this run button and then click on OK. It will start the execution. So do you see here? Result is done. It means that all the steps have passed. And if I go on expanding over here on the left side, you can see all the steps. Do you see? We have the date of flight, we have the fly from, we have the fly to, we have the flight, we have the flight table, then we clicked on the OK button. So each and every step that we performed as a part of recording is present here. And the stepwise it is giving us the result, whether it is passed or failed. So all of them have passed. That is why it is showing it is done. Clear everyone? Okay. So this result window will come up automatically after the execution is over. Okay, so this is nothing but we call it as a record and playback. So the running is over. This is nothing but your analysis of the result. You can analyze the result. If there is any defect in any of these steps, it will be displaying as failed, which you got to report it to your developer. Currently, there are no defects over here. Everything has passed. So there is nothing, that you can report your developer. Okay, fine. Now, you say that, some of you did not attend the session for the installation. What you do is write a quick email to me. I will collect all your email IDs and forward it to Shilpi, and, she will arrange the session for your installation. But again, okay, this time when it is arranged, please don't miss it. Okay. Yes. So whoever has missed the session on the weekend for your installation, please write an email to me right away. Take 5 minutes, write it, and then I'll collect all of them and send it to her. Okay. Okay. So you do it for 5 minutes and then I will tell you later how to do the practice on your QTP. Okay. Prerna, can you please type in your email ID over here? Okay. If you have installed, that is fine. Okay, Prerna, did you join new to this session? Because I don't find, your email ID is listed in my email list. Did you join new? Anita, the instructions are going to be the same for everybody. Okay, so you got to write an email to me if your installation is not done. Okay, sure. I'm seeing everybody's question. Okay, what you do is take 5 minutes, everybody. Okay, please send an email whoever has not done the installation. Okay, and then I will tell you how to open the QTP and how to do the practice on it. You got to give me some time for it. Okay. Okay, Prerna, did you join new? One second, let me unmute you. Hi, Prerna. Hello.
Yeah, hi Priya. Yeah, hi Priya. I enrolled on Thursday or Friday. I have taken your QA demo class, but I'm very well versed with all the QA concepts, so I'm directly joining the QTT class.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why your email ID is not in my list.
Okay.
Okay, so
So that's why I might not have received that installation
yeah, exactly.
email. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I'll just inform Ishtuke to add your email to my list. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, you're welcome.